Did you ever thought that how much time you normally spend while you are typing in your computer? Study shows whenever we type 40 words per minute, and whenever we speak 150 words per minute. Today, I will show you one software using which you will be able to save more than 1 hour every day if you just replace your typing to a voice chat. You will be able to speak and it will do the rest for you. This is not just another dictation tool. You can use normal Apple Dictation and that doesn't work properly. I'll show you the difference between both of the application and how is it going to help you to be 4x more productive than in your normal way. So currently I opened Apple Notes and I'm going to read certain text and let's see how this particular tool works. Create a grocery list. Number 1, add all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Number 2, add eggs, unsalted butter, milk, and vanilla essence. Number 3, add baking pepper and a chocolate bar for the decoration. Now you can see I just spoke and it created the note properly. It also added all those numbering. I mentioned number 1, number 2, number 3. Think about a situation whenever you are typing, how much time it normally takes to write these 4 lines. And whenever you speak, it will be 4 times quicker than your typing speed. Second thing, whenever we use Apple Dictation or any other tool which are native to our operating system, that doesn't do this kind of a bullet points or numbering. It will only give you a straight text in a paragraph. That's the way it works. So this is one good part of this particular software I'm going to talk about, which will help you to use your voice as a replacement of your keyboard. Today I'll show you how can you use Willow Voice and be 4x more productive than your normal way of working. This software doesn't only type text for you. It understands the context, it remembers your vocabulary, and it's remember all those words you normally use so that it can give you the right output without any requirement of reformatting. Now let me show you another way how can you use Willow. Let me open my Gmail and show you how can you write an email just using your voice. So I need to write an email to my video editor. He's taking a bit of more time to edit my videos. That's why I thought of reminding him about the target dates and other things. So let me write that email, and that too with help of Willow. Hi Rahul, I wanted to check the current status of the video editing work. 2 things. Number 1, the Willow software review video, which is urgent and it's on priority. So please complete the editing quickly. Number 2, the next week we need to publish 4 more shorts, which will be published in YouTube. Please complete those editings at the earliest. I'll call you later to discuss in detail. Regards, Sandeep. Now you can see it drafted that email for me and everything, all those things, it's mentioned properly. You can see the formatting of the email, everything, it's spot on. So you don't need to do anything. You can just click on the send button and it will go, right? So this is the way you'll be able to use Willow to save your time. I used it in my Apple Notes so that I can take some of the notes. Now I wrote an email and I can do multiple different other things. So whenever we use this kind of software, another thing comes to our mind. That's the security part, right? Willow is SOC 2 and HIPAA compliant, and it doesn't retain your data on its cloud server. It retains data in your local system so that your data is with you and you can delete it at any point of time. Let me very quickly show you. If I go here and I open the dashboard, there if I go to the settings, you'll be able to see multiple different things are there. One thing is there, that is privacy. There I have already enabled the private mode, which means it will not share the dictation to automatically to improve any of the Willow's performance, and it also gives you opportunity to delete all of your transcript. That also you can do any point of time. So this is very important whenever we use any of this productivity software, where it will be aware of that what you are talking about, what you are typing, everything. Now this is not only for the usage. Company like Uber, Salesforce, they are using it within their organization as part of their enterprise system. So in that context, it is secure to use. Now let me show you few more things, because I just shown you 2 of the use cases. Now, whenever you start using it in your computer, you may think, okay, on mobile, how can I use it? Let me show you how can you download and use it in your iPhone. There, if you go to App Store and you just type for Willow, and you will be able to see this particular option, Willow Voice. And if I tap on that, then you'll be able to see this option. Earlier I downloaded and installed the software, but I offloaded it so that I can show you here. So I'll click on this particular button and it will start installing. Now, if you are doing it for the first time, so then you may see a different type of a button. I'll click on open and then it will launch. Now, first of all, it will ask for to get started. So let me set up very quickly and then show you the next step. Now I have already set up this particular application. You can see it's showing that it is HIPAA and SOC compliant. Let me click on continue and then it will ask for certain keyboard access. Let me allow that access here. Now this is ready. Whenever I'm using my phone, right? So if I want to do anything and if I use this particular application, let me show you what are the ways I can use it. So whenever I use my mobile, I use ChatGPT often because whenever I'm on the go, if I have any requirement that I use ChatGPT for. Now instead of typing, let me click on activate Willow and then I open ChatGPT. I need to give a presentation to a group of aspirant YouTubers on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. I would also like to talk about strategy, content planning, niche identification and other required points. Please give me list of resources and details which I'll be using in Notebook LM to get my research completed. Only give me all sources, links which I can just copy and paste here. Now I just mentioned about my prompt and there on purpose I fumbled once. Let me see, identify that fumble and correct it or not. You can see it properly did. Please give me a list of resources and details which I can use in Notebook LM to get my research completed. So when I fumbled, it also auto-corrected. So this is the beauty of this tool. It understands how you speak. It also changes as on when required, and when we fumble, all those arms, all those additional filler words, everything it does. So whenever we use Willow on our computer or our mobile, we can save nearly 1 hour per day. Maybe 20 to 30 minutes on your emails, another 20 minutes on the Slack chats and other chatting software, and maybe remaining time in other tools like ChatGPT, Claude, whatever the apps you use from your mobile, you can use and you will be able to save more time. So I have added one link in the description below. Using that, you can start using in your Mac OS and you will be able to download the application, you will start using it. And once you will start using that Mac app, you will also be feeling the requirement of to use it in your mobile. So check out that link and start using it. If you click on that particular link and you register, then you will be getting certain additional discount whenever you will be taking a pro plan. So let me know your view, how your experience is, and I'll be happy to help you with my feedback and suggestions. How can you use Willow to save more time and be much more productive? So hope this video is helpful. If you want to understand how to generate PowerPoint presentations using generative AI, I published multiple videos earlier. Check out this playlist to understand how can you save more time while generating PowerPoint presentations using generative AI.